Are you feeling like your online security could use an upgrade? Worried about your crypto assets? Today, we're talking about something super important for every Gemini user: how to change your email and password securely. It might seem like a simple task, but doing it right is crucial for keeping your account safe from bad actors. We'll walk through the process on the desktop and mobile app and touch on why these steps are so critical. First up, let's tackle changing your email address. It's not a common thing to do, but if you've got a new preferred email or just want to update your security, it's a must. Log into your Gemini account on the web browser. This feature isn't available on the mobile app. Head to your security settings. You'll find a section for security options next to your email. Click on Change Email, enter your new one, and provide your current password. You'll then be prompted to use your two-factor authentication, or 2FA, to verify it's you. After that, check your new email for a verification code and enter it to confirm the change. One key thing to remember: for security, Gemini places a 72-hour hold on all crypto withdrawals after you change your email. This is a crucial protective measure to prevent unauthorized access. Now, what about your password? It's a good practice to change it every few months, or immediately if you suspect any unusual activity. The process is straightforward on both the web and the mobile app. On the web, go to your security settings. Under Login Info, you'll see an option to change password. Enter your old password, then your new one, and confirm. On the mobile app, go to your Account section, then Security Settings, and tap Change Password. Just like changing your email, this will require your 2FA for confirmation. And again, for your security, resetting your password also triggers a 72-hour hold on crypto withdrawals. This might seem like an inconvenience, but it's a small price to pay for peace of mind. Remember, a strong password is a unique password. Don't reuse it from other sites, and consider using a password manager. Enabling strong 2FA with an authenticator app like Authy is also a much safer option than SMS. These simple steps are your best defense against phishing attempts and unauthorized access. Staying vigilant and following these security best practices is the best way to protect your digital assets. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.